So guys, I'm back with another video. Today's Tuesday, and I'm kind of doing my videos a little bit different, guys. My homeboy he pretty much gave me an idea, since I fuck with the trucks every day. Like literally every day I do something, or I'm doing something to the truck. So today, guys, right now we're heading to the car wash, and then we're gonna go to my boy's Rick's house, and we're gonna be fucking with the Tahoe for a little bit. I have a lot of errands to run around. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. I don't know if it's gonna be short or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and try what he told me. You know, since every day I fuck with the truck, so I'm gonna see if I can pull out a video every day or every other day. I have a video already. I'm already a video behind, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's just go ahead and start the day. I just left the Ranchito on Preston. If you haven't tried that place out, they have badass breakfast, guys. They have badass plates, really. So y'all check that out. But right now we're heading to the car wash, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the truck, the extended cab. We picked up something for the extended cab last night. It was a mission, but we got it done. So let's get going. So we usually come to Blue Whale, guys. Just a little quick car wash, but the truck's looking clean with the new setup that we're going for. She's right there. So hopefully y'all see her right now when she comes out. So we end up picking up these honeycombs. They're plastic dip. They're not in the best shape, but they have good tires. And they were fairly cheap, guys. They were $500, and they're 22s. They're 22s, guys. That means the truck, you know, came off the floor a little bit. Still has the same drop, but it's off the floor. What do y'all think about this setup? This is not my style right here, guys. This is more of my girl style, as y'all know, or if y'all don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and clarify this. This is my girl's truck. I repeat, this is my girl's truck, and I've been doing everything to it my way, how I wanted them, how I want it to look, but it's not my truck, guys. I have gotten a couple questions. Look, guys, before I go to the next subject, as you can tell, they're not in the best shape. They're plastic dip, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably undip them, or probably throw some more plastic dip on top of that, just so they can look a little bit better. But I'm gonna clarify one more thing, guys. I've been getting asked. I know everybody knows somebody that has a truck and they just don't use it. Well, I'm that nigga. I don't use my shit at all. I don't know why. I've always been like that. And not that it's super clean or anything, but she's alright. My Trailblazer, she's alright. It's not all there yet, but it's getting there. But I've always been like that with all my rides, so I don't know. I like to just have them there. But we will be using her pretty soon. Car shows are coming up, and we will be out there, guys. So y'all stay tuned for all that. Alright, guys, so we're just leaving AutoZone now. I came to pick up some sway bar links for the Trailblazer, because she was rattling and all that bullshit. I don't want to be driving around like that. She needs them from like a year ago already. But since I don't drive the truck, I wasn't worried about it. But we got them right here. Leaving AutoZone now. We're heading to my boy's house right now. We're gonna fuck with the Tahoe for a little bit, like probably like an hour or so. It's too hot out here. Catch up when I'm there. So we made it out here to my boy's house, and as y'all can see, the thing cat's sitting pretty clean. Y'all want to see more on this truck? Drop a like, drop a comment. Let us know that you want to see more on the 2019-2020 Silverado build, and we will do that for you. I also wanted to show y'all the bumper, guys. The SS bumper. It's actually back there in the backyard of my homeboy. I'll probably show y'all the bumper. Maybe I'll go around the house. I'm not sure. But we're here for the Tahoe, guys. We're here for the Tahoe. And the Tahoe is still looking clean. I like it so far. You know, the way it turned out, all in one piece, all one color. I still got to remove that pinstripe, and I'm trying to get that molding, or I'm gonna take that one off. I'm still not sure. But guys, y'all know that I was trying to plastic dip the wheels, and I was trying to salvage these wheels, and I don't got time for all that. So I ended up going and buying some cheap wheels. It's locked. Hold on, let me get the keys. Alright guys, so like I was saying, I picked up some cheap wheels. They were fairly cheap, so hopefully this don't fall on my feet, but they were fairly cheap, guys. I went ahead and got some Tahoe 20s. They're not in the best shape. The center cap's a little bit off. It's actually missing off 3 center caps, only has 1. And this tire, guys, yesterday when I came and looked at the wheels, I bought these wheels probably like, I don't know, Saturday, Sunday, sometime during the weekend I bought these wheels. But look at this wheel, guys. It's fucked up. It's curb rash. Pretty bad. I'm gonna try to see if I can knock this down some, at least just the corner, but I'm not really worried about them. The truck's not perfect, so the wheels aren't gonna be perfect. The other 2 wheels are up here, and fuck. Oh well, it is what it is. Damn, this wheel is gray, guys. This wheel is gray. What the fuck? I'm gonna still put them on. I think this tire is a little bit smaller, right? Yeah, it's a 255/50. 255/50. 275/50/20. And these are, I think these are stock tires. 275/55/20. Ain't no biggie. I'm gonna just get a 50 for this one, since I already have to replace it anyways. But let's check out this wheel on this side. Maybe it's silver. We could throw it on one side and the polished ones on the other. Damn. Nah, I did. He got me pretty good. 275/55. So I guess I'll run the 275/55s in the back, and I'll get a 275/50 to match that one and run those in the front. I guess that's what I get, guys, for fucking not checking stuff. I thought it was a good deal, 300 bucks. It's still not bad. I'm not gonna lie, it's $300. But I also wanted to show you the bumper, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk all the way around to show y'all that. So this is the SS bumper that I picked up in the valley, and when I was talking to the guy on OfferUp, I got it off OfferUp, guys. If y'all know, I fuck around on OfferUp a lot in Facebook Market, and when I seen it online, when I seen it on OfferUp, I thought it was a real good deal. He was asking 150, and I told him, hey, you know what, I'll give you 100 bucks. I'll pick up right now. talked to him for a good little while. I asked him if it was OEM, and he said yes, that it was. But when I got there, guys, the bumper ended up being fiberglass, and I really don't know what to do with it now. I know it has the little mesh grill and the license plate holder thingy, and those go for like $100 each. And I ended up getting the bumper itself for $100, guys. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and take it, because I could just sell the grill and the license holder and get my money back just off of that. But I'm gonna see if I could throw it on the truck. Maybe it looks good, maybe it don't. But let me know what y'all think. I know in the last video I also asked y'all if y'all wanted me to do a clone on the extended cab. I know a lot of y'all on a previous video had told me to leave it the way it is, and did it look good. But y'all let me know. Y'all drop y'all's comments. But we're gonna go ahead and get going, guys. See what's up, see what's going on with the Tahoe. Probably have to go find a tire. I'm not sure if I'm gonna throw them on right now, so let's just get out. So we got both back tires off. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the 275/55, so I'm gonna put them in the back. This one's messed up, so I'm gonna get a 275/50 for this one to match that one, and we should be good, guys. Should be good. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw the rims on. Alright, guys, so got the rims on. Obviously we're missing one because that tire is bad. Love that, bro. Missing that one. But man, that tire is ugly as fuck, bro. Ugly ass tire. But that's the look. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much gonna be our Tuesday. I'm gonna see if I can make another little short video tomorrow. Made it home. I'm actually watching some Cleveland with Portland. Just chilling, calling it a night. But if anything, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. See what we get into. Y'all stay tuned, there's more to come. But don't forget, guys, good. Keep pushing. Catch you on the next one.